On this episode of Jackass,
we're cutting an 80 in half.
All right, so here's the 80 in the shop. We have already started disassembling it. Trey's got the inside done. I pulled the headliner out. I'm getting ready to pull the door panels off and strip the wiring out of it. So we'll go to chop it. We don't cut anything important that we can reuse for later for brake lines and stuff. My plan currently is we're gonna reuse the back hatch and back section of the truck here and just slide it forward. That way he has a nice back glass. A lot of people just do a flat piece of metal and just put a piece of Lexan or something back there, but it'd be awesome to keep the defrost and the rear wiper and make it look decently factory. All right, push for a couple hours and here's what we got. Get an 80 that's torn all the way apart. All right, everything is stripped out of this thing, ready to go. We've got the sunroof out of it, all of the glass all the way around, all the wiring is out, all the lights, wiring harness. It is ready to come apart. Plan is to roughly cut the door about there and use the back half of here. So we can keep the back glass of it. So cut it there, move the whole back to the front, make it a two-door. It's gonna be awesome. All right, so what we got going on here is I have the laser level here. Laser leveled perfectly with the body line, not the paint line, the body line, all the way down the truck. Had to let the air out of the tire to get the truck level because it had some rear end. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grid this whole thing with a paint marker and just step up the level every few inches, so that way when the back of the truck gets moved forward, everything is all in line. We can just line body lines up when we come to move it forward, but I'm worried about it tilting as well, so I want my lines to be straight. To do that, we're gonna grid it that way and this way. All done with the grid. All of the level lines are marked roughly in the middle where we're cutting on both sides. All right, the teardown is complete. Trey's here today.
What up?
So we got the doors off, we got the back hatch off. We're gonna leave the tailgate on. We've got everything covered up. Got the whole front of the truck sectioned off with welding blankets. We're gonna cut. We're gonna cut the back off first, set it to the side, then cut the middle out. We're gonna overcut this and then overcut this and then set it on top and sneak up. I don't wanna cut too much or exact. I wanna overlap a little bit so we can lap weld everything and not just butt weld everything because it'll be stronger. All right, I'm gonna put this thing on some time lapse. See you in a second. This body mount did not want to come off without a fight. We decided not to use this design. It looked too much like one of those Isuzu Bean SUV things. So instead, we decided to go for just the back hatch only, just like this.
Thanks for watching. As always, like, share, and subscribe.